Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover the 3 commands that allow you to reset the robot position, to stop the robot, and to pause and wait for the robot. So first, to reset the robot to home position, you can simply press home instead of setting another waypoint. Here, you can also set the speed and acceleration of the robot. Next, if you ever need the robot to stop, you can insert the Halt command, and the program will stop at this point. Finally, you can also pause the robot and allow the robot to wait for some command using the wait command. So you can choose no wait, you can wait just for a specific set amount of time. You can also wait for digital input, and this is particularly useful for outside sensor. You can also wait for analog input as well. Or you can set another variables or another PLC controller that's sending a different signal, and then wait for that to turn into some specific value that you're looking for. Thanks for watching.